So Larry, why did you get into this? Why are you a lawyer?
My best friend and I were talking about becoming lawyers for a while. And then we ended up...
When you were kids?
Yeah, when we were kids and teenagers.
Yeah.
And then we just decided we're going to pursue it. And we ended up helping a lot of our friends who were in trouble, and we were handling all different kinds of cases.
What kind of trouble were your friends getting in?
They were getting drunk driving cases and things like that, and then marital disputes, and they needed wills, and they had contract disputes, and of course...
So you were a general lawyer for a while.
Yeah, when I first started out with my best friend, we were doing general law, and then we kind of morphed into doing more personal injury cases, and there were some tragic cases that...
Well, how did that come about, this morphing?
Well, one in particular is our family doctor's wife was killed in a horrific crash.
I remember.
And there were actually her granddaughter and her father were also involved in the crash, and they were all killed.
Drunk driver.
By a drunk driver. So no more handling drunk driving cases, no more handling anything really, other than focusing on personal injury cases from then on. And
yeah.
So that's how we, kind of...
And so what motivates you, though, now? You've been doing this, I don't want to say how many years.
Over 40 years. I just still have that passion for it. Because I like helping people, and I want to do right for people, and I get such gratification by making sure that somebody gets justice, because I see a lot of injustice in this world, and so by doing that for people and getting a result and having them thank me and making a difference in their life,
pretty good stuff.
It's all been worth it, Rob.
Pretty good stuff.
Turn the tables. How about you? Why did you get
Very similar. I, as you know, I was a journalist. I'm working away, I'm slaving away. Beautiful work, loved it, but I wasn't getting ahead. And so I just took that skill set, that writing skill set, took it with me through law school. There's my brother practicing, looked like you were doing really well. And I'm thinking, okay, I'll join up with my brother after law school, but then I joined this other firm, and it was like boot camp, this other firm. It was a great firm for that. And we did all personal injury there. And some defense work, too. Mm-hmm. So I sat both sides of the fence there, and I got this incredible education and learned what litigation was all about. What does it take to actually take someone's problem and get justice for it? It can be a long, hard, rough road. But if you learn how to navigate it, you can really do some, make a difference for somebody.
That's right.
So I love that feeling, like you say, of making a difference for someone's life. I think I was saying before that I see a lot of injustice in this world, and I can't stand it. When I even something as simple as a dog that's being left in a car. If I see a dog left in a car on a hot day, I'm calling the ASPCA or whoever is going to get that dog out.
You and me both.
Yeah. And so that kind of motivates me to help people who can't necessarily fend for themselves. They can't navigate the system. They're getting, a raw deal from some insurance company, from some big company or whoever. And we can fix that, and we can make it right for them. And that gives me immense satisfaction if I can do that for somebody. It's a great motivating factor. Yeah, I just feel that it's something that we need to do. We need to do for each other.
And following up on one of your points, when somebody's in a catastrophic type injury, they're in no position really to, like you say, navigate the system and to get true justice. And that's where we come into play.
Sure do. So you've been doing this a long time. Well, how have you been able to keep up? Because it can be pretty brutal work. It can be very taxing.
I guess I'm a workaholic, and it's kind of satisfying working with your brother all these years.
Oh, gee.
It's the truth. So,
well, thanks, man. I appreciate that, and right back at you.